Hello?
What is your name?
Scott.
My name is Liam. I suppose you're wondering how you got here. I thought you might. You see, you were in danger.
Wait. I just nodded. How did you know that?
Well, why wouldn't you? May I continue now? Thank you. As I was saying, you were in danger. Someone was trying to kill you. I don't know why, and I don't think you remember. He hit you very hard. I happened to see you and tried to help, but he beat me, took me, and left you for dead in the forest. I am his prisoner. I need your help.
How can that be? How can that be? I live in a city. I don't live near a forest.
I don't have much time. He'll be back soon. I can guide you to where I am. Will you help me?
None of this makes sense.
Listen to me, Scott. You don't know where you are, so I am the only one who can help you get out of this forest. But I need your help first. After he kills me, he will come after you. You don't really have much of a choice. So, Scott, will you help me? Turn left, there will be a path ahead.
How did you know that?
Memories, Scott, are the key to intelligence. Intelligence is the key to survival.
Intelligence, huh? Aren't you the one in trouble here?
Aren't you?
What?
You're lost in a forest, Scott. I would consider that trouble. Scott, what is your favorite soda?
What?
Coke, Sprite, Dr. Pepper. What is it?
I don't know. Why are you asking me this?
I enjoy 7-Up myself. But you really don't see it that often, do you?
I don't know.
Very good. Well, once this is all over, I would be overjoyed to offer you a 7-Up. Would you like that, Scott?
Sure. Why not?
Turn left here. Look around you, Scott. What do you see?
Trees.
You don't see a forest?
Well, I'm in a forest, so all I see is trees.
Why is that, Scott?
Why? Why do you keep asking me all these stupid questions?
Because I want to know who you are. Why you are in your situation. Maybe it's just luck. Do you consider yourself lucky?
If I were lucky, I wouldn't be in the situation I'm in right now.
Well, maybe it's not luck. Maybe it's fate. Maybe you were meant to wake up in this place because you are the only one who can help me.
No. Will you just shut up about all this, alright?
It could also be that you're unlucky, and maybe you can't help me. Maybe you are the one who's going to end up dead.
No. Well, that's not going to happen, because I am finished helping you. Help yourself. This has nothing to do with me. I'm finding my own way out.
Who are you?
Scott.
Is that off?
Yes.
Have you been talking to anybody on it lately?
This guy named Liam has been guiding me all day.
So he got to you too?
What?
Liam. He isn't who he says he is. He's a hunter. A killer. He's leading you to your death.
No. That's impossible.
How would you know? Do you know him?
He said he was leading me out.
He's not. He has hundreds of hidden cameras in this forest. He's been watching you from the moment you've been here.
Who are you?
Liam caught me. Put me in this maze of his. He tried to kill me. But I made a deal with him.
What deal?
I would provide cell phone numbers and information on his victims. And I would not leave, or he would kill me. He tricked me. He stole the information I acquired for him. And left me here to die.
Why does he kill people?
I don't know. You're going to have to ask him yourself.
What? Fuck no, I'm getting out of here.
Don't you see? Even if you escaped, he would track you down. He doesn't let prey escape.
So what do you want me to do?
Face him. You can beat him.
Why don't you face him?
With this? Do you do this a lot?
Do what?
Give up? Take the road traveled by? Don't you ever want a different life?
I don't want to die.
Well, you're going to, if you don't face him.
Can you help me?
No. I have to stay here.
What? Why? And do what?
If you fail, I need to find his next victim and warn them. Find someone who can defeat
I
him.
won't fail.
Good luck, Scott.
When this is all over, I'll make sure to get you out of this.
Thanks.
Scott.
Hello, Liam. I want to apologize.
Choices are what govern life. And choices are what we need in order to take chances and survive. You choose to put away your phone. And you choose to take it out again. You're showing great promise. You idiot.
What?
Walk straight. Did you see anything after you hung up on me?
No.
Good. You should start to hurry. The killer will be back soon.
He's taking his time, isn't he?
I told you to hurry, not to talk.
Wouldn't want my 7-Up getting warm, would I?
Ah. Taste. One of the best senses. Imagine liquid pouring down your throat as it refreshes and energizes. Then imagine death and all the pleasures you'll be missing.
Can we not talk about death right now, please?
Death is part of life.
Yeah, a bad part.
Would you say that we're living or dying?
I think we're living.
Why is that, Scott?
Because dying's at the end. We're dying right before our death. What about you, Liam? What do you think?
I say we're dying. Death is random. It can come at any moment. All of this time spent on Earth is just to prepare us for the ultimate journey. Death is a miraculous thing, and it should be embraced.
You're a fucking creep. Do you know that?
I apologize. You're finally here.
Finally, where?
Look. Please come in.
Hello, Liam. Hello, Scott. You! What are you doing here? Your arm! It's fixed!
What's wrong, Scott? Don't recognize my voice?
No. You're Liam.
I told you this was all a game. I suppose you didn't realize that you were the playing piece.
Why? Why did you trick me in the forest?
I couldn't have you trying to escape on me. Plus, I wanted you to have false hope.
Why are you doing this?
Everyone has their purpose, Scott. Mine is to rid the world of certain people.
It's bullshit!
What's your purpose, Scott?
Not to kill people. I don't fucking know.
That's why you deserve to die.
Okay then. Then why didn't you just kill me off in the first place?
Anyone can kill. I'm unique. I lure people into a trap so they can think about their lives and all of the things they haven't done yet and what failures they truly are. I'm doing this to prove a point, Scott. That people are expendable and there are many people who deserve to die. The world is a very bad place, and if we don't get rid of the people who don't improve it, then it will get a lot worse. Seven Up? Scott, embrace death. You can't stop it. You think you can hide from me in my house?
Hey, Liam!
What do you want?
I just figured out my purpose in life, Liam. My purpose is to stop you.
Fuck you, Scott.
And everyone like you.
I will hunt you down and kill you.
Just try it. Go ahead. You're never getting out. You know why? Because I'm living. And you're dying. Goodbye, Liam. Enjoy your fucking soda.